Welcome to another episode of Jumpin' in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot, Christmas Cajun Breakfast Casserole. Let's get to the ingredients. Garlic powder, cayenne pepper, Cajun seasoning, minced garlic, fresh parsley, green and red peppers, onions diced up, eggs, I'm using marbled cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. Andouille sausage, half and half. Tater tots, and salt and black pepper to taste. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. I have a skillet here with 2 teaspoons of oil in it. I have the stove turned to medium-low. Now, the first thing we're going to do is saute the andouille sausage. We let this cook for about 2 minutes. Let's see, the sausage has sauteed up enough. The next thing we're going to put in is the onion, the minced garlic, the red and green bell peppers, and we're going to mix all of this up together. We're going to let this saute up together for about 2 minutes. Now that the sausage and the vegetable has cooked, I turn the oven off, and this is what we're going to do now. I'm going to add these eggs to this bowl. Going to add some garlic powder, a little cayenne pepper, and seasoning, Cajun seasoning. I whisk this up together. I add the half and half to the egg mixture, and I whisk this up some more. This makes a nice Christmas breakfast or even a brunch. Okay, that's mixed up enough. Now I have this dish here. I've oiled it, and we're going to add the vegetables to it. If you want to make a larger amount, you just double up everything. Add double the eggs, double the half and half. There. Now, we're going to pour the egg mixture on top. Layer the cheese. Put some parsley. And now we're going to add the potato tots on top. Then we're going to pop this in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. The oven should be at 350 degrees. Now we press them on top down into the egg mixture a little bit. Okay, we finish off with some cheese on top and a little bit of parsley. See? Now I'm going to pop it in the oven. I've just taken it out of the oven. Here you have it. Christmas Cajun Breakfast Casserole. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.